Today we're going to be learning Mishnah Sukkah Parak Bet Mishnah Vav. This Mishnah is discussing the same topic we've been discussing before about meals. So now the Mishnah wants to decide whether or not there's an amount of meals that a person is obligated to eat on Sukkot in a Sukkah. So just to understand, there's a connection between the Chagim, between the holidays, and on Pesach there's an obligation to have a meal, which is to eat matzah. So therefore the question is, should there be the same or more on Sukkot? Let's take a look at Mishnah Vav. Rabbi Lezer Omer, Rabbi Lezer says, Arba Asar Seudot, 14 meals, Chayiv Adam, a person is obligated, le'achal, to eat, basukkah, in a sukkah. When? Achat b'yom, one each day, v'achat b'layla, and one at night. So Rabbi Lezer says you got to eat 14 meals total, one in the daytime, one in the evening. V'chachamim Omer, and the Chachamim say, Ein l'davar kitzvah, there's no established, there's no numeric amount, there's no end amount to what we're supposed to eat. Nobody ever established an amount of meals, chutz, except milele yom tov rishon, except for the first night shel chag of Sukkot. Chag means Sukkot. Bilvad only. You only have to eat the first night of Sukkot. Just like the first night of Pesach is a mitzvah d'oraita, mitzvah to eat matzah. The same is true with Sukkot. You have an obligation to eat the first night meal. Beyond that, the Chachamim say no such mitzvah exists. The Odam Rebbe Eliezer, once we're talking about rules of meals that we were discussing, so Rebbe Eliezer also has a rule that says, Mishalo achal, one who did not eat Leil Yom Tov Rishon on the first night of Yom Tov, Yishalem, he can make it up, B'Leil Yom Tov Achar, on the last night of Yom Tov. In other words, if you missed eating a meal at the beginning of Yom Tov, make it up the last night of Yom Tov. You can make up that missing meal that the Chachamim say you need to eat. The Al Zen Nemar, and about this we said, the Chachamim said that's not doable. I'm sorry, the Chachamim said, Ein l'davar tashlumin, this is not something that can be made up. In other words, if you missed a meal on Tuesday, when you eat on Wednesday, it's not going to make you feel full from Tuesday. It's not something we make up. Va'al zenemar, on this, we say the pasuk in Kohelet, to prove the point, me'uva, something which is bent, meaning a metal bar that's bent, lo yuchal utkon, it cannot be straightened. V'chasar, and something that's missing, meaning a jug, an earthenware jug that has a hole in it, it's missing something, lo yuchal, is not able, lihimanot, to be counted on, it's not something you plan on using to fill something. So we see from these psukim, sometimes you have something that's broken that can't be fixed, and that's okay. Have a wonderful day.